All right, language explorers. Welcome to this week's Thursday Adverbs, place where I help you master English so you can discover the world. So let's look at eventually, English explorers. At some time in the future. Sometime. I don't know when. Yeah, eventually. Yeah, sometime. I don't know when. I will eventually go to Bermuda. Yep. She will eventually know the answer. Yeah, eventually. Sometime. I don't know when. It will eventually happen. I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah. I will eventually write it. I have a big pile of books and I will eventually read them all. Yeah. More books. I'll eventually read them all. Yeah. Eventually. But when? Well, I don't know when. Eventually. Sometime in the future. Yeah. They will eventually go to Scotland. Yeah. She will eventually come here. He will eventually go to Mexico. I will eventually record all the videos. Wow. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yes, it will eventually work. The machine will eventually be built. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So they will eventually follow me there. See, they will eventually follow me there. How cool is that? He eventually went to Scotland. Yeah, it happened in the end. He eventually went to Scotland. It was back in July when he went. Yeah. I'm trying to make an effort because this will eventually be online. Yeah. You see, my lessons eventually will be online. So everyone can see them. Yeah. Eventually, over time, sometime in the future, eventually. She wants to eventually learn Arabic. Yes. So I am thinking that I will have to eventually learn another language. I know Spanish, but what else can I learn? Yeah. Eventually. It will eventually be time for the gym. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. So, language explorers, can you use eventually in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so you can master English and discover the world. Yeah. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.